Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to do session number 3. The name of the session is Format Data in the Spreadsheet. Yes, my dear students, for that first we have to open the LibreOffice Calc. I just click on Start, All Program, then click on LibreOffice 7 and then click on LibreOffice Calc. Yes, my dear students. Now, topic is here, formattings in Calc. Means how we can do the formattings in LibreOffice Calc. Formatting means, my dear students, suppose I want to write some values here. How I can format these values? This is called formatting in LibreOffice Calc. First, let's do the formatting. I just write here some values. And I'm right clicking here, then yes, suppose I write here some values 1 2 3 4 5 6. I write here some values and I want to do the formatting for these values. First I'll select these range. After that click on format. Here you will find cells. Even you can also use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl+1. You can simply click on format and then choose the cells, and even you can also use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl+1. When you click on cells, format cell dialog box will appear. Now suppose we want to set the numbering and number general formula we can take. If we want to represent in this way, you can select the format according to your requirement. And in a similar way, if you want to set as the date and time, there are different formats for date and time. Clear? Suppose I just select the range and set there the date format, then selected date will appear here. Now suppose I want to set date here, then how I can do? Click on format, then cells, select the date and which format. Suppose I like this format, I just click on this format and then click on, even you can also change the date and month and year format from here also. Then click on OK. Now if you write any value in this cell, suppose 12 December 2020, and now it's showing hash just because you can select values from here, select the values and then date and time format, select any date time format. Suppose this one is here, then click on OK. But first what you have to do, you have to write any values, because here this cell is blank, that's why it shows nothing. But if you write any values in this cell and after that select the cell and then click on Ctrl+1, again date time format appear, select the date time format, any format you can choose and then click on OK. Now it shows here date. If the cell is blank, it shows hash to you. First you have to write down any values and then you can choose date and format. Now sometimes we want leading zeros. How we can do? Format, again click on cells. Now here you can see leading zero or decimal places, means up to how many decimal places you want to set the values. Suppose मैंने 2 किया, leading 0 1 means पहले हमारा in this format you can see leading 0. It means first आपको एक 0 दिखाएगा. If you write down here 2 leading 0 means before the values it shows 2 leading 0 and after that it shows the decimal values up to 2. Then click on OK. Now you can see it right here 2 leading 0 and up to value decimal 2. Suppose I want to again change these values, then how I can do? Suppose मैंने किया है कि मुझे leading 0 decimal places increase करना है. We need here up to 4 decimal places. Okay. Now you can see it shows me the value up to 4 decimal places. I hope this point is clear to you. Now next topic is here. Next topic is here text wrapping. Yes, my dear student, text wrapping means when we write a long text. Suppose I'm writing here, hello, how are you? Now you can see this text goes into two columns, is it? But I want to set this text into a single column. Then how I can do? I just click in this cell. I click in this cell. Again, I'm pressing Control 1. And here you will see the alignment. And in alignment, you can click on the properties. Wrap text automatically. Wrap text means automatically move the text into the next line. Click on OK. Now you can see here it wrapped the text, and the text is hello, how are you? And even you can also use the shrinking there, Control 1. Then you can also select hypertension active. It means that shrink to fit one cell. It means that wrap text, in place of wrap text, we want to set shrink to fit one cell. Then click on OK. Now it shrinks the text and fit into a single cell. I hope this point is clear to you. Now this is all about. Now next topic is here. Speeding up data entry using autofill. Yes, my dear student, first I'm going to delete all these things. Now, speeding up data entry with the help of using autofill handler. It means that suppose I just write 1 on 2 and select both entries and move your cursor at the end of this. Now you can see plus handle appear, then drag. This is called autofill handler. It means that we just enter any two values, and after that we just drag that and it automatically fills the rest of the values. Suppose here I write Sunday and Monday, but rest of the week name I can do with the help of just drag like this. In a similar way, suppose I want to type the table of 20 and I just know only two values. The rest of the value I can do with the help of autofill handle. How I can do? Select values, then plus symbol appear, then drag that symbol like this. This is the table of 20. Let's suppose I want to write down here Jan, Feb, and I don't know what about the rest of the month name. I just click here and then drag. It automatically show me up to December. This is called speeding up data entry with the help of autofill handler. It is all about your session number 3.